Hey, you know what? There is free information all over the internet. I don't need a mentor, some guru, or some crap to teach me. I'll just watch a bunch of videos and figure it out. You ever had those thoughts? Hi, I'm Don Stratton Jr., Godfather of Sales, and we're going to talk about why you need a mentor. So if you like the information in these videos, please click that like button. Be sure and subscribe, ding that bell, get notified when new videos come out. Let's get started. So look, there is a plethora of information all over the internet on how to do damn near anything. Absolutely. I agree, there's great information, and some of it is wonderful for picking up as you go along with learning something new. However, just going off of free information alone does not give you the foundation and the fundamentals that you need in order to get the maximum amount of understanding from the information. So what happens is people go out and they watch a bunch of videos on sales or affiliate marketing or whatever it is. They go out and they try and they can't seem to get it done. And then you get all these videos and all these comments about how this is just a scam and this doesn't work and blah de blah. They never gave it a fair shot. Okay, this is no different than going to your local library, picking up the medical dictionary, reading through it, and then going to the hospital thinking you can perform surgery. Same thing. You read all the videos, you've watched live surgeries on TV, you know how to do this. But you don't. You haven't been through school. You haven't practiced it. You haven't had leadership to walk you through how and why. All you know is the black and white that you have seen through just reading or watching free videos. See, when you have a mentor and somebody that can teach you, that can guide you, that can build that solid foundation that you need, then going out and getting all of this other free information is beautiful, because you can take the pieces that make sense from what you've learned and use them, and you can reject those that don't work and don't make sense because you've learned better from somebody who's been there. It makes no sense at all to try to jump in to a whole new field and a whole new experience with no guidance at all. You need a mentor to help you avoid the pitfalls of the things that can go wrong, the things to watch out for. I've had a lot of people come into our program to learn how to do sales and closing who have seen all of this free information and thought it was going to be enough, but then got on calls and just couldn't seem to get it right. Couldn't figure out what was wrong. And you go back and you listen to their calls and you're like, whoa, where's the structure? Why did you say this, this, or this? Well, I watched this video and it said, right? You haven't gotten leadership from somebody who's done it to be able to show you how to do it right and to build that solid foundation. So no matter what it is that you're trying to do, whether it's get into sales and closing, whether it's start your own business, whether it's become a coach, whether it's get a promotion at work for that 9-to-5 job, whatever it is, get a mentor, get somebody who's been there and done it to help guide you in the best ways to get it done. I'm Don Stratton Jr., Godfather of Sales. We'll see you in the next one.